Hello, I'm here to try this Clover Valley coconut water with pulp. It's not from a concentrate, and it says hydrate naturally. This is 16.5 fluid ounces. It is a bright sunny day out today. Serving size is 1 can and 220 calories per can. It's 170 milligrams of sodium, 54 grams total carbohydrates, and total sugars is 49 grams. Oh, it does have 530 milligrams of potassium. So yeah, ingredients: coconut water, sugar, coconut pulp, malic acid, and sodium some word I can't pronounce. I'll look and see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll link it below. Alright, let's see what it looks like, shall we? There will be chunks floating in it because of the pulp, as you can see. Whoa, I overfilled that thing. Alright. Cheers. It definitely has sugar in it. Like right away, it's sugary sweet. The coconut flavor is really nice, but it definitely is very, very sweet. Yeah, it's actually really tasty. I would get this again. And if you like sweet coconut water like I do, I would say this might be something you might like. If you're looking for one that's non-sugary, then stay away from this one. Because, yeah, this is Clover Valley. Yeah, good job. Good job. Cheers. Yeah, you've gained a customer right here. Let me know if you've tried this before, what you thought of it, and if you have not tried this before, do you like any coconut water at all? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video.